your hosting, then you need to go on your Edge panel, then go to the website for which you want to take backup. So I want to go with VR Tech World, and after that you need to go on the file section in the website, and after that scroll a little bit down. Here you will be able to see an option named as backups. Click on that. Okay, when you see this, here in the top section we have an option that after paying 115 rupees per month, we can get another option of daily backups. But we are not going to pay it right now, so we are going to use another methods right now. So here we have our other options to take backup. So the first one is file backups, then database backup, and then generate a new backup. So in the files backup we will get a files backup only, and in the database backup we will get the database of the site, and in the generate backup we will get the sum of both of these and other required things. Okay, so right now I'm going to click on that show data, select database backup. So click and choose the required database, then click on show databases, and from here you need to select the database that you want to download or restore. So here we have dates mentioned, so according to these dates we can identify that which database we need right now, and by using this we can restore and download the same. Okay, so if you want to download it, then you can click on download, and if you want to restore that data, then you need to click on restore. The data will get restored on your website. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you that how we can take backup of database. Similarly, we need to do the same thing for file backups. You just need to click on the select option, and then you will get an option to choose date. So here we need to wait for a few seconds so that we can get a download link from here, and our download process can get started. Okay, so wait for a few seconds. It might take few minutes. Okay, so here it's done. Then click on download backup. The backup will start downloading in your system, and here it's done. Okay, so now if I want to take files backup, then the process will remain the same. So next step, if you want to restore, okay, now you can see that we it showed the multiple websites because we are taking files backup, and in case of database backup it was also showing the database of other websites as well. So you need to choose that which for which website you wanna get the backup. So for example I choose this one. If you want to restore, then you need to click on restore, and if you want to download the files, then you click on download all files. Okay, so I hope these all options are clear to you. And the last one is generate new backup. Then it will take 24 hours to proceed it, and they will notify you when the backup will complete. They will notify you in your email. Okay, so you just need to click on proceed, and the process will get started. So I hope this video will be helpful to you, and if you like this video, then please hit the like button and stay tuned for the next video. Till then, bye, take care.